Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
You just got your paycheck, looked at the line for federal withholding, and saw a zero. Is this a good thing or a bad thing? Let's break down why your federal withholding might be zero and what you need to do about it. Seeing that zero can feel great because your take-home pay is bigger, but it could also mean you're setting yourself up for a massive tax bill, and possibly penalties, when you file your taxes. The main reason this happens comes down to one form, your W-4. This is the form you give your employer that tells them how much tax to take out of each paycheck. If that form is filled out in a certain way, it can result in $0 being withheld. There are a few common reasons this happens. First, you might genuinely not owe any federal income tax. If your total annual income is less than the standard deduction for your filing status, you won't have a tax liability. The standard deduction is simply the amount of income the government doesn't tax. So if you're a single filer and you'll make less than the standard deduction for the year, your employer correctly won't withhold any tax. This is perfectly normal for part-time workers, students, or anyone with a lower income. The second, and more concerning, reason is that your W-4 might be filled out incorrectly. This is easy to do. Maybe you claimed too many dependents in Step 3 of the form, or you entered a large number for deductions in Step 4. Each dependent and every dollar in deductions you claim lowers the amount of tax withheld. If you claim enough, that withholding can drop all the way to zero, even if you will actually owe tax. A third possibility is that you claimed exempt on your W-4. You can only do this if you had no tax liability last year and you expect to have no tax liability this year. This is rare, and claiming it incorrectly will guarantee you owe taxes later. So, what should you do? First, don't panic. Grab your latest pay stub and confirm your filing status and the number of dependents your payroll system has on file. Then, the most important step is to use the IRS's official tax withholding estimator tool online. It's a fantastic calculator that walks you through your income, dependents, and other financial details. At the end, it will tell you exactly how to fill out a new W-4 form to get your withholding right. You can then submit that updated W-4 to your HR or payroll department. The goal isn't to get a huge refund, which is just an interest-free loan to the government, and it's definitely not to owe a huge amount. You want to get as close to zero as possible. Taking a few minutes to check your W-4 now can save you from a huge headache and a surprise bill next tax season. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple explanations of personal finance topics.